Hey guys, I'm Dayvion and we're going to tell you about the balancing bird project. To do this project, you will need an equilibrium balancing bird or a cone or your finger
to balance it on.
Okay.
Now
We show the project. If you put the balancing bird on the cone like this, like that, it will balance itself because more mass is in the head and the upper body, and it's balancing itself through the wings of it, and there is no mass in the tail. It's just hollow. Also, you can have it on your finger. See, there's nothing holding it up.
Fun fact is, it's not a bald eagle.
Also, you can have it spin on here like that. You can do it faster. I just don't want to mess it up. You can have it dance. You can have it dance like that.
Don't overdo it.
Okay. And this was Balancing Bird Project.
1.
Hi guys, I'm Dayvion Bridget,
I'm Joel.
and we're here to show you about the balancing bird. To show you about this, the materials you would need is balancing bird, equilibrium, stuff. Hey guys, I'm Dayvion Bridget,
I'm Joel.
and we're here to show you about the Balancing Bird project. To do this project, you need the equilibrium and a spirit it can balance on, or